In 1963, the remote control entered the living room. It was not small, it was not elegant, and it did not always respond, but it changed one simple action. Before this, changing the channel required movement. Someone stood up, walked across the room, stopped in front of the television, turned a heavy dial, and walked back. Watching involved the body. The remote control interrupted that routine. Now, the screen could be changed without leaving the chair. At first, this felt minor, a convenience, a small comfort, a way to avoid standing up, nothing more. The remote was not treated as essential. It rested on a table or beside the arm of a chair, sometimes out of reach. Buttons were pressed carefully, often only once. Most of the time, people still watched what was on. They did not switch constantly. They did not search for alternatives. The remote waited. In 1963, television still had limits. There were fewer channels. Broadcast schedules were fixed. Programs ended for the night. Silence still returned to the room. The remote control did not create choice. It did not expand options. It did not demand attention. It only reduced effort. Something subtle changed. Movement disappeared from the act of watching. The body stayed still while the screen changed. The distance between intention and action became shorter. At the time, this shift went unnoticed. No one described it as a change in behavior. It felt practical and harmless. The remote was used sparingly to adjust volume, to change the channel once, then placed back down. It did not stay in the hand. In the evening, the room remained quiet. Furniture stayed in place. Conversation continued. The television did not dominate the space. In 1963, the remote control did not control attention. It did not decide what was watched. It did not keep the screen alive. The television remained where it was. The viewer remained seated. The evening still ended. The remote rested nearby, on the table, beside a book, next to an empty cup. It waited to shorten the distance again.